Hey, what's up guys? This is Reed with Smart Home Solver, and today we're going to be talking about the Deebot N79. So if you're watching this video, you probably found Deebot on Amazon or somewhere, and you're wondering if it's a good vacuum at all. It's not a household name like Roomba, but in our testing we did find the Deebot to be actually a really good vacuum. And if you're wondering if this would be a good first robotic vacuum for your home, spoiler, it will be. So if you order this thing off Amazon, which there's a link in the description below, it comes in a box. If you open up that box, there's another box. And if you open up that box, there's another box. It's like boxception. Inside, you'll receive your Deebot vacuum. You'll get a couple brushes, an extra filter. You'll also get a little cleaning kit, and you'll get the charging base station. So you just pop on the little brushes and then you put it on the charger for 4 hours. When you first start up the Deebot, you'll notice that it's actually really quiet. It's sucking up a lot of dirt, but it's not too noisy. And it also has the anti-collision sensors in the front, so it's not bumping into everything. I have had other robot vacuums hit the side of my feet while I'm watching TV. And I know what you're thinking, that sounds super lazy to say that, but so what's really cool about this vacuum is that you can control it from the remote or the app. And the controls on it are almost instantaneous. The Deebot responds pretty much right away. So we tried to test out a few different things for the Deebot to try to pick up. And it was able to actually pick it up, but it had to go by a few different times for it to pick it all up. Other bigger things picked it up right away. When it hit the shag carpet, it was able to go up on top of it, but it kind of went really slow and kind of struggled on it a bit. The Deebot's actually made to go more on wood floors or tile floors or really low carpets. It doesn't really do well on longer carpet. So on occasion the Deebot would get stuck, say on like the Christmas tree cord. But when it did do that, it would just beep really loud and you would just go walk over and get it unstuck. And that only really happened a few times. After testing out the Deebot for just a short little bit of time, it collected quite a bit of dust, which was surprising because this thing runs so quietly and it's not that expensive a vacuum. What's really nice about this is that the roller brush underneath, you can actually pop it off really easily and use the little cleaning tool that it comes with, and you can just get anything that's stuck in that roller brush off really easily. So since the N79 is a budget vacuum, it doesn't have some of the nicer features that the more expensive robot vacuums have, such as working with a Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. The N79 will run for about 100 minutes before it needs to be recharged. Once it runs low on battery, it will redock itself. When we were able to test this out, it actually found its way back to the docking station pretty quickly. If it was far away, it might take a few extra minutes just to kind of go back and forth to try to find its way back home. But it just goes slowly and it gets its way back. It has 4 different modes. And one of the modes is just cleaning a room. And when we tried that out, it did stay just in that room. Even though that room had a pretty big open doorway, it just stayed right in that area. There's also edge cleaning mode, where it just goes around the edges of your house. There's also spot cleaning, goes for about 2 to 5 minutes in a little, kind of like a 3 to 4 foot radius. And then there's auto, which just basically roams around, just kind of cleans everywhere. So before we purchased the Deebot N79, we were a little hesitant because we hadn't really heard of the brand before. We've heard of Roomba, we've heard of Samsung's PowerBot. But actually we were really surprised it's worked so well. It's almost become a little bit part of the family. Our little one likes to put stuffed animals on it, and our dog really likes it too. The Roomba 690 has a lot of the same features, but cost a lot more money. So if I were you, I would save your money, go with the Deebot. It works really great, and you're gonna be really happy with it. So if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. We'll be sure to answer them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more smart home videos. And thanks for watching. Next time on Smart Home Solver, we'll show you how the N79 can replace your pets and even your children.
Luna, speak! Speak!